Kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩrarĩ na gĩikaro kĩa mwanya thibitarĩ-inĩ ũyũ thutha wa makaya ma aikari a Migori kwamũkĩra motungata matarĩ makinyanĩru na wagi wa maĩ kwa ihinda iraya. Makĩongerera atĩ ndawa ikoretwo ikĩũra na njĩra ĩna kĩriga.
There's a problem of drugs here, but I'm being told that they are using their internal mechanism to ensure that they have, because KEMSA has never delivered drugs here. So they are using the departmental, I think, voted. I don't know how they are handling it to ensure that there are continuous drugs brought here until they open.
Currently, the facility has an oxygen plant that is broken and is under the maintenance process, and we hope that within a few weeks it should be running.
Oho nimagwetanĩtie arũgamĩrĩri a thibitarĩ ũyũ na ũhũthĩri ũru wa kĩgĩna, ndeto iria ihotometie mĩhang'o ya ũtungata thibitarĩ-inĩ ũyũ.
The procurement programs have not been opened here, something that is seriously harboring this department, because failure of which I'm being told that in the next 3 days they may lack even the gloves and very necessities that are very important.
George Omamba ũrĩa nĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Migori augĩte gũthũka kwa macini na kũgonderera kwa arigitani nĩ gĩtũmi kĩiganu gĩa thibitarĩ ũyũ gũtungatĩra arwaru anini.
So there's a staff shortage. I think with the waziri here in the cabinet, they will propose. Ours is to ensure that it is budgeted for, and we have certain areas, hata kama sio yote, certain areas that we get proper people put in place to help out.
Minister wa ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ kaunti ya Migori Julius Owuor Nyerere nĩ areganĩte na mendekithia maya na kwĩrĩra aikari a Migori mĩtaratara mĩandandũku ya thibitarĩ ũyũ.
We are in the process of rolling out procurement, and in the next few weeks we'll have drugs taken to our hospitals, all of them. And when you talk about the water shortage, it has been a problem which has been affecting this institution for long, because since it was upgraded, the number of patients has increased.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Waithĩra wa Ndwati.